This little box of baking soda did what $1,500 a month in Ozempic couldn't.
Stop. Right there. This interview never happened. Let's find out why. The easiest way to expose a scam is to verify its claims. 1. By 1. The first claim, Oprah discovered a miracle weight loss recipe. According to the video, a simple baking soda drink worked better than Ozempic. It supposedly helped her lose more than 50 pounds. Without expensive injections, without dieting, without exercise. Those are extraordinary claims, so let's verify them. The real Oprah has publicly warned people that she does not endorse weight loss supplements, yet this video uses her image, her voice, and her reputation to promote exactly that. If Oprah had really discovered a miracle weight loss recipe, she could simply announce it herself. Instead, she has repeatedly warned people about scams using her name. That's our first red flag. Next, the video introduces Dr. Ania Jastreboff. She's a real physician, a real obesity specialist, and a respected researcher. According to the video, she's the expert who supposedly explains why baking soda works better than prescription weight loss drugs. She even appears to recommend the recipe herself. That's a serious claim, so let's verify it. Dr. Jastreboff has publicly warned that scammers are using her name and image to promote products she has nothing to do with. So now we have two real people publicly distancing themselves from the very interview we're watching. That's not a coincidence. It's another red flag. Now let's look at something most people never check, the website itself. Because convincing scams don't just fake people, they fake credibility. At first glance, it looks like the Today Show, same branding, same studio, same graphics. Everything is designed to make you believe you're watching a trusted television interview. But look at the address bar. That's not today.com. The page imitates the Today Show. It isn't the Today Show. One small detail completely changes the story. Now let's follow the story. It begins with baking soda. That's supposedly the miracle. That's what we're told changed everything. The entire presentation focuses on an inexpensive recipe anyone can make at home. That's what keeps people watching, but watch what happens. When it's finally time to buy something, the baking soda disappears. Suddenly, you're buying AlkaSlim. The homemade recipe quietly becomes a commercial supplement. Funny how the miracle changes. The moment money enters the conversation. That's exactly how bait and switch scams work. Hook people with something simple, then sell them something completely different. Then come the testimonials, the before and after photos, the dramatic success stories. So I checked them. A reverse image search shows these same photos appearing on multiple unrelated weight loss websites. Different products, different stories, same faces, and that's a good reason to be skeptical. Finally, the science, or at least what the video calls science. It mentions GLP-1, GIP, hormones, metabolism, research, medical terminology appears one claim after another. It sounds impressive. But scientific words are not scientific evidence. Here's the real question. Can a mixture of ordinary household ingredients safely reproduce the effects of prescription GLP-1 medications? There is no credible evidence that it can. If a homemade recipe really worked like that, it wouldn't need fake interviews, fake websites, or celebrity endorsements that never happened, and it certainly wouldn't end by selling you a supplement. This wasn't created to sell baking soda. It wasn't even created to sell AlkaSlim. It's a reusable scam. The same fake Oprah interview has already been used to promote other supplements. AlkaSlim today, AlkaLean yesterday, something else tomorrow. Only the product changes. The deception stays exactly the same. The next time you see a celebrity or a famous doctor making unbelievable promises, ask yourself one question. Did they actually say those words, or did AI say them for them?